One of the frustrating things that is missing from the Fisker Ocean is HomeLink, or at least the option of getting HomeLink. Yes, you can just stick a regular garage door opener in the Ocean, but I have a slightly more ergonomic and stealthier solution that doesn't break the bank. So let's get started. First of all, this is an item I purchased on Amazon. It's a generic universal garage door opener remote that takes the form of a key fob shape. Opening up the packing plastic reveals the opener itself. On the back is a sticker that I removed. If you still want to keep it, open up the back by removing 3 screws and place it inside the cover. While inside, notice that it takes the same CR2032 battery as the Ocean key fob, and you know that you have a few of those batteries hanging around. If a battery dies, just flip the old one out and insert a new one with the plus facing side up. Then put the cover on and set the screws back in and tighten it up. Turning it over, we have the front of the remote. The body of it is a matte black plastic that blends in well with the center console of the Fisker Ocean. There are 2 buttons that together comprise the round shape at the top. Both can be programmed, so if you have a double garage door with separate doors, you can program one to be the left side and the other to be the right side. If you look closely, you can see a small rectangle on the top button. That is the LED indicator. At the other end is a hole that can be used for a keychain, loop, or lanyard. For my project, I will be leaving it empty, no need for anything else. Also included is a user manual that I will cover in the next step. How to set up the remote. Step 1. Press and hold the bottom button on the remote control until the LED goes off. This takes about 9 seconds. Then release the button. Now it's entered into programming mode. Step 2. Press and release the remote control button you wish to use. In my case, I want to use the top button. Since I have the yellow Learn button on my garage opener, which you'll see in a little bit, it requires me to press it 1 time. If you have a different opener, I would refer to the button presses listed in the chart on the upper left of the screen. Step 3. Once you've finished programming, just wait 3 seconds to exit. The LED flashes and then goes off. Programming is now complete. On the next part, how to set up with the garage door opener. Step 1. Get a sturdy ladder and place it under your garage door opener. Fold down the light cover and you will find the controls on the right side. Press and release the Learn button, which is the round one. The Learn LED will glow steadily for 30 seconds or so. Get close to the garage door opener with your remote. Then press and hold the program button until the garage door opener lights flash or 2 clicks are heard. It has learned the code. If the opener does not activate, repeat the steps again. Step 3. To test, press the programmed remote button. The garage door opener will activate and the door will open or close. If the opener does not activate, repeat the above programming steps again. If you want to pair another garage door opener, you can do so with the other button. Just make sure it's also programmed to use the correct opener button type as I showed in the previous section. Flip the opener light cover back up and you are done. Now I'm ready to put the garage remote in the car. From the driver's seat, a perfect area to place it is in the key fob holder that is right in the center console. So if you take the remote and place it with the button side up and then push it in, there are rubber tabs on both sides and it keeps it in place. It doesn't wobble or make any sounds while it's in here. And then I simply press this button here and the garage door closes or opens. Press it again and it opens. So
This, I think, is a great area to keep it. You could also put it in the area up here. You could probably use some double-sided tape or Velcro and stick it underneath. Maybe underneath the button bar if you'd like that, or even inside the center console storage. Maybe even over in this area here. So lots of possibilities for storing this. I think it's super compact and much nicer than those large remotes that you usually see that come with the garage door openers. So that wraps up my universal garage door opener remote for the Fisker Ocean.
In a future video, I plan to show how to install a HomeLink system in the car. There are two that I'm looking at. One requires hacking into the wiring on the car, and the other is self-contained. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. I have lots of videos planned, and I can't wait to show them to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.